great day for our countries, for the countries of the Turkic world. It's a great day for this exhibition to happen here in Istanbul. And on behalf of the Aytmatov International Foundation and the Academy of Sciences of Kyrgyzstan, I would like to present the Aytmatov Order to our organizer and the person who put us all here together, Sakit Mamadov. It's a great honor to give him this order, so please let me present this to you.
Bu tarafa dönebilir miyiz birazcık?